Identify the reagents A, B and C in the following reaction. The reactant is an alkene. Alkene is treated with 3 different reagents to form 3 different alcohols here. The first alcohol obtained is a tertiary alcohol, second alcohol is a secondary alcohol, and third one is a primary alcohol. We know in acid catalyzed hydrolysis, addition takes place according to Markovnikov's rule with rearrangement. So you will get a secondary carbocation here which rearranges to form, means 1,2 hydride shift takes place, it rearranges to form a tertiary carbocation. So this on hydrolysis forms tertiary alcohol. So acid catalyzed hydrolysis will give tertiary alcohol. Now let us see hydroboration oxidation. Hydroboration oxidation, addition takes place according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. So the negative part attacks the carbon atom having more number of hydrogen atoms. Means here we will get a primary alcohol. Now coming to third option. Addition takes place according to oxymercuration demercuration, means addition takes place according to Markovnikov's rule without rearrangement. Means the negative part attacks the carbon atom having less number of hydrogen atoms. So this should be the product obtained. So in oxymercuration demercuration, I will get secondary alcohol. Hydroboration oxidation, I will get primary alcohol. Acid catalyzed hydrolysis, I will get a tertiary alcohol. So your option is first option, acid catalyzed hydrolysis means tertiary alcohol. So identify the reagent A, means A should be 1. What is B here? You are getting a secondary alcohol, means addition is taking place according to Markovnikov's rule, means oxymercuration demercuration. So B should be 3. B is 3. A is 1. B is 3. Now coming to third option. You are getting a primary alcohol, means addition is taking place according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. So C is 2. A is 1, B is 3, C is 2. So your answer is C.